It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing it.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Jess and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a bake with me, so that's cool. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while. I've pretty much been doing my final exams and I'm done now and I'm waiting for the results. So I'm almost done. Well guys, I'm done with school, so how great is that? Stay tuned because there's going to be a lot of exciting content coming soon because it's Christmas, it's December. So without further ado, let's get started. Is it this way? Let's get started. First things first, I'm going to need the muffin mix. 4 eggs. Come on. Oh, that's great. Oops. Okay. 250 milliliters of sunflower oil. So
put it on the paper, right on my skin. Bring me to life, bring me to life.
Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine.
This is what you came for. So just say it to me.
I can take my eyes off of you. You've been so phenomenal.
Everybody's watching her. It's just fucking
Now I'm touching like I got to. Feel the hunger creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. He don't know you well. He don't do you well. He won't love you like I would. Love you like I would, like I would. My broken pieces, you pick them up. Don't leave me hanging, hanging. Come give me some. If you know about me and choose to stay, then take this pleasure and take it with the pain.
light me up inside like a 4th of July. Whenever you're around, I always seem to smile, and people ask like a fairy tale to feel you back on my neck. You remember what I lost, so baby, take me back. Turn the lights down low, feel it, singing in the shower. 'Cause when you're touching me, I feel you make my heart go. You make my heart You make my heart go. When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair. You're gonna miss me everywhere. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Now do that thing I like.
I want that sugar sweet. Don't let nobody touch it unless the somebody's me. I gotta be instead. There ain't no other way. 'Cause you ain't hiding. Can't stop on its day. I can see that you need dance, dance, dance. Feel the hunger creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. He don't know you well. He don't do you right. He won't love you like I would. Love you like
You
I would.
make my heart go. You make my heart go. You make my heart go.
Know you got all dressed up for the club. Ooh, waiting on Nick to pick you up.
All we did was care for each other.
it was a crush. Now I might, I wanna say too much.
since I've been a fool.
Just a little West Coast and a bit of sunshine, hair blowing in the wind, losing track of time, just you and I. But I wake up and everything's wrong. To me, you work. Doing it all night, all summer. Doing it the way I want it. Don't have it any other way. I just need love. As long as I can dance.
Guys, this is what the first batch looks like. I'm so proud of myself.
My mom's on the radio on a Saturday, and I won't be long. Gotta paint my nails, put my high heels on. Hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. I got all I need.
Yeah, to you, girl.
Someone's turning the handle to the faucet in your eyes. You pour it out where anyone can see. Your heart's a bit for your body. It's what you won't feel inside.
Thank you guys for watching my video. I'm very sorry I haven't posted in a long time, but I will be posting much more regularly. I can't speak. I will be posting much more regularly. Can't say regularly. I'll be posting very often. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching and bye.
Body of mine, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body of mine.